some more random vlogs for me talking about random things, but as of right now, that is the chair that I'm going to be sitting in and doing some of these doodles, whatever this is. But be doing that, and then I have in my kitchen right now, I'm cooking, making myself some more spaghetti. Although it's frozen kind of, and still waiting on it to thaw out more. But usually you set it in water and let it sit out for maybe an hour. But I'm hungry. I didn't have time, so I'm just cooking it partially, and then going to eat spaghetti. But I moved this chair out here because now I can sit here comfortably and do some drawing while I look at my monitor and watch documentaries. You know, I've actually never sat down in a couch or a reclining chair until this week while drawing, while watching documentaries. This is way more comfortable. Hungry. I'm really hungry. I get so busy at work that I start working on stuff and then I forget to take my breaks and then I don't eat and then I come home really hungry, but I work out not too long after work and then I'm really hungry and I don't have the energy to lift, but I just go ahead and eat something small. I go to the gym and work out, and then when I get back I eat a really big meal and then I do some doodling until it's dark out, and then I go to bed and I start all over again. But that's been my day so far. And yeah, but it's warm out. I was driving today because I had to get to work, and well, obviously I was driving today to get to work. Well, that would be a long walk. I think it's 20 miles, I think, to my job. Well, I work at multiple places, but the one is like maybe 25 miles away, I think, and the other one's maybe 20. So it's about maybe half an hour to get there. And I was driving to work one day, and they have road construction everywhere. It's only supposed to be a half-hour drive. And then I was on my way there, and then they had road construction. Then they had signs up that said road blocked. And then I had to go around another way, and that said road blocked. Eventually, it said road blocked everywhere. It took me an hour to drive to work. And then the same thing happened the other place I work at. Is I was on my way there, then everywhere at these railroad tracks, it said road closed. And I had to figure out a way around it. And it took an extra 20 minutes to get there. So a 25 or 20, I think it's 25-minute drive turned into 15-minute drive, and the other one's half an hour turns into over an hour. But it's really warm out. I don't have any AC in my car. I have to do what's called charge the what's the word? Not antifreeze, because that's engine coolant. I'm thinking of the wrong word, but you know what I'm talking about. It's for my air conditioner in my car. It only has hot air. So I just roll my windows down for now. But it was never an issue before, because to get to work it took me honestly about 20 seconds to drive there, but now it takes me longer than that. So I start sweating on my way to and from work when it's hot out. So I need to get that fixed. And they keep having this issue with my front right tire to where it keeps losing air. And I've always had issues with every car I've ever had. I've always had problems with the mufflers, the tires, and the windshield wipers. Those three things, but mostly mufflers and tires. Every vehicle. I wonder if you can hear the food cooking in the background. Possibly, because I'm using my phone so it picks up all the sounds around me rather than my condenser microphone, which doesn't. I can edit all that out of it. But yeah, this is another vlog, random thing. Nothing too exciting, but that's my day so far. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then do some doodling. But let me know if you have any questions, and it's pretty much my day so far. And yeah, don't really have anything else to say right now. But I'll see you all later. Have fun drawing, and don't forget to ask me questions in the comments below or anything else. But I'll see you later. You have a good day.